Hey,
I want to
today what I
remove
want to do
all those
is
things
talk
over
to you
here.
about the
And
multiple
here I want to take a look
income
at the result of
funnel.
the website. And here
I
we can
just got
see
started
right. So
with
what
this
I should do,
program,
click over here.
and so
And also
far
change the
I
text
just
over
want
here,
to
by
give
the
a
way.
big shout out to Mac,
Make it even
because
bolder or
Mac,
less bold.
this program is nothing but the
But now I
bomb.
want to save
And
it.
before I get started on it, I just want to give you a quick overview.
Close this area.
This programs have
Where are those
4
handles?
streams of income.
I click over here.
That in itself is very, very
Make it a
powerful.
bit smaller.
That you got 4 streams of income
60.
on one platform. Now, some of these streams of income you're going to have heard from them before, and you're going to have seen them before.
Command S.
But now you put all of this together, and you only need one
Look at this. We can go
URL
to
to promote
you
all 4 streams of income.
Later.
And I
Now,
love
if I
it
click on
because
the
the
logo,
multiple income funnel,
way,
it will give you residual
over
income.
here,
Residual income
over here.
every single month. So I always like to put the bottom line up front. So once we get started, you know a little bit about what we're talking about. Now, some of these streams of income that I'm talking about is the multiple income funnel. I'm going to just tell you right up front, it costs $49.95 a month. That's exactly how much it costs. But everybody that signs up with you will make a $20 commission. So you'll make your money back. Okay, so that's one stream of income, the multiple income funnel. The second stream of income is TextBot. TextBot AI. TextBot AI, artificial intelligence, a robot that does all the work for you. It used to cost $100, but now it costs $150 because the price went up. So you'll see this stream of income. The next stream of income is Easy One Up. Easy One Up, a platinum of digital products. And my recommendation to you, if you get started with Easy One Up, then come in at the $50 or $100 level. And the last stream of income is Traffic Authority, where you can buy all the traffic you want. You can become a resell dealer for just $20 a month. Or you can use the traffic. It's up to you. You don't have to use the traffic. Now, that's just an overview, okay? So now we're going to get into the back office, okay? So here we go. As you can see, this is my name, password to put in, and now I'm going to log in.
Awesome. Let's create our second area.
Okay, I am in the back office, folks. Multiple income funnel. This is what you see after you pay your $49.95. The first thing you want to do when you sign up, folks, you want to go ahead and watch this video. Mac does a fantastic job of just laying it out, okay? So you want to watch this video. Then you want to join the Facebook group. Why do you want to join the Facebook group? Because you'll see all these people in there that's talking about how much money they are making and how they are having fun with the multiple income funnel. So you want to do that, okay? So you want to watch the video, and then you want to join the Facebook page. So I already talked to you about step 1. Step 1 is the multiple income funnel that you can earn $20 residual income every single month, okay? Now, the next stream of income I've already talked to you about, which is TextBot AI. TextBot AI. Every time somebody signs up, you can make $100 commission. And then the next thing, the next funnel you will sign up for, you know, you want to set up your wallet and do all that, okay? So what we're going to do is we're just going to click on step 2. And here it is. You see step 2 right here, okay? So here's the different income streams like I just said, okay? So then what you need to do is, by that time you have set up income stream number 1 after you watch the video and all that. Here's income stream number 1. Just click on it. Income stream number 2, and I was wrong. Easy One Up is the next income stream. Just click the button and follow and sign up for Easy One Up. Income stream number 3 is TextBot, and I already talked to you about TextBot. And income stream number 4 is Traffic Authority. So Traffic Authority is where you buy your traffic. So there's nothing hard about this, folks. Nothing hard about this at all. So step 3 is setting up your e-wallet, okay? And look, it takes you through it. set up your e-wallet.
But I can
Nothing hard about this, okay?
Well, if I go to design, and I go to spacing,
and then we go into the back office.
Padding,
and here you can see once again the back office, okay?
And then
so everything you need to do.
Then
here we go.
To the text.
We're going to click on
I can make
Start Promoting.
Light. And then I can style this further. But I prefer
so
something
far
else.
So good, right?
So I
start promoting. Now, this is what I love about it. These beautiful capture pages. Capture page 1, capture page 2, capture page 3, and 2 sales pages. So, just so that you can see that I'm not playing games and you understand what I said, I made 3 sales here, 1 sales here, and I made 1 sales here. Haven't been in it that long. So you get to promote any one of these capture pages or sale pages in your back office. And let me tell you, it's beautiful.
So I can say
it is very, very beautiful. So here's where all your links is. Okay? Next, let's click on now. Traffic, once again, you can buy traffic from Traffic Authority. If you have people on your team or you have leads, the other good thing about leads that Mac did for you already, he will send out all of the follow-up leads for you. Or you can download the leads and put them into your own autoresponder, such as Aweber or GetResponse. Okay, so now we're going to go to the resources. This is what I love about it.
So I go back.
All of your emails is right here. Look, all of your emails is right here. Mac have done a wonderful job providing all the emails for you. You can go ahead and send these out. You can put them in your autoresponder, or you can send them out one at a time, folks. Isn't that beautiful? So Mac, the email swipes, Mac have already taken the hard work away from you. Now let's go to the banners. Here is all of your banners that you can use. Look, all of the banners that you can use. Already done for you. I love it. I just love it. A done for you, completely done business. Social media, you can take these and post them in Facebook. Look, already done for you.
Bring it to the center.
Already done for you. You don't have to do anything. It's done for you. Let's go to the Facebook page post. You can copy and paste this into any group in Facebook. And you're ready to go. Can you believe that? So Mac has taken all of the thinking out of this, folks. You don't even have to worry about it. You don't even have to think about it. Mac has done everything for you. And once again, Mac, I just want to say thank you, man. Thank you for giving us this great platform in 2021. Now, before, I was already promoting Easy One Up and Text by AI. But now, I got Traffic Authority and I got the multi-income funnel. Residual income. So I got 4 screens of income. And just to recap real quick, okay? So you know where the email swipes are. You know where the web banners are. You know where the social media. And not only that, if you get stuck and you join my team, call me up and we will go through the back office together. If you're on my team, you have one-on-one session with me. I will take you through the back office myself. Okay? Now, let's go back to the links.
So I bring it back. And over here,
so we're clear on this. Once again,
I click over here.
These are your links for your capture pages and your sale funnel.
But now it works again.
And what I do, I test out different funnels. As you can see, I test out different funnels. And I haven't been doing this long, but I've been pushing traffic. But I'm going to up the game and push more traffic with this. It is so easy. Now for me, you know, I got a list, so I've already created, I got Aweber, but you know what? When I first got started, first couple of weeks, I just let Mac send out the follow-up emails. Whatever you want to do. It is so easy and so user-friendly, folks, that you don't have to do a lot if you don't want to. It's easy to do. So I hope that you got something out of this. If you got any questions, please let me know. Come on in and join my team. And listen, you pay your $49.95, okay? It's as simple as that. Pay your $49.95 and for your residual income, okay? And everybody that joins, you get $20 every single month. They stay on your team. Not that hard, folks. And I love it. I really love it. I hope I did a good job of explaining this to you so that you have an appreciation. So basically, this wasn't just an overview and me talking to you a little bit about it. And I think you'll be happy with this because everything is here for you. From start here to your links, to your traffic, to your team, to your leads. I would show you my leads, but I don't want to disclose people's email address. The leaderboard, the resources, and then your business, folks. It is easy. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you got a lot out of it. And I want you to join my team. I'm going to put the link below. And if you got any questions, just let me know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link below of the multi-plex income funnel and then each one of the individual income streams, okay? I think I'll do that.
And I want to add text area.
So listen, come on and partner with me. I think you'll love this program, man. You have seen a lot of people give this on YouTube, but I just wanted to take the time and give you my spin on this. And once again, my name is James Williams, and I'll be happy to help you in any way that I can to get you started. Like I said before, you don't necessarily have to purchase the traffic here in the back office. I got some traffic vendors that I do use, so it's be up to you. But if you want to be a reseller, then go ahead and sign up for Traffic Authority for $20 a month. So once again, you're going to pay $49.95 for this system. You're paying $49.95 to use Max system. You get the capture pages, you get the sale pages, you get the email swipes, you get the banners, you get the Facebook information that you just got to copy and paste. Everything is copy and paste for you. You don't have to create anything. And it's so easy to do. So hopefully I'll see you when you sign up for my team. I can't wait to have you on my team. So I can take you through this if you got any questions. Because everybody is at different levels. You know what I tell people? Get in where you fit in. If you can only afford to get in and sign up with the multi-income funnel for $49.95, then just do that until you can earn some money. Once you earn some money, and then you can join up for Easy One Up. Easy One Up, you can really start off at $25 or $50. But you know, you get in where you fit in. If you can come in at the $100 level, that's fine. TextBot AI has the $100 level and the $500 level. Get in where you fit in. So you don't have to come in and purchase all of this. You can just come in and take your time with the multi-income funnel, and then when you start making money, and then you can go to the other funnels. I mean the other streams of income. So just remember that, folks. Let's not make this too difficult or too hard. Get in where you fit in. And then give me a call. Call me up anytime. Say, James, I need help. Or, hey, James, can you walk me through this? It'll be my pleasure. This is what I do. My job is to coach, teach, and mentor folks and help them make money online. Okay, folks, I'll see you on the matter of fact, hit that button below so every time I come on, you'll get a chance to see me. Hey, guys, you guys stay safe out there and have a blessed day.